Welcome! If you've ever lost track of important emails that are over a week old, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you a quick and simple way to find those key messages right from your phone using the Gmail app, whether you're on Android or iPhone. First, grab your device and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to search. Once you're in, look for the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap it. After the menu slides out, scroll down until you see the section labeled Important. Give that a tap. This is where Gmail automatically gathers messages it considers important, like emails from your boss, family, or anything it sees as a priority. At the top of the Important section, you'll notice a search bar. Just below that, you'll find a filter option labeled Date. Tap Date to open up several helpful choices for sorting your emails. A list of date ranges will pop up. From here, simply tap Older than a week. Instantly, your inbox will refresh and only show you important emails that are more than 7 days old. This process is perfect when you need to revisit an old, crucial message. Maybe to double-check details on a project, follow up on a job interview, or get back to someone you meant to reply to last week. If you find the email you're looking for, you can open it, reply, forward it, or even add a label for easy reference in the future. And if you have a lot of old messages, scroll through the results. Everything you see is filtered to be both important and older than a week, so you can quickly spot what matters. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've zeroed in on your most important older emails, saving time and avoiding endless scrolling. Try it out the next time you need to find a key conversation that slipped down your inbox.